Hi there, welcome to PopularFX. I am your PopularFX buddy, and in this video I will show you the working with PopularFX. Let's first understand the essential need for working with PopularFX. For this, you need to have PopularFX Theme installed and activated, Pagelayer plugin installed and activated, PopularFX plugin installed and activated, imported theme. Check out our PopularFX WordPress Theme guide video to know about how to install PopularFX Theme and Plugin, how to install Pagelayer, and how to import your first theme. Link will be provided in the description below. Let's first see editing header together. Let's start by going to Appearance, Customize. Here, on the left side, you will see different properties like editing pages, typography, colors, sidebar, etc. On the right side is the display screen of your site, where you can view the layout of your imported template. We will edit and modify each and every aspect of your imported template to get more familiar with PopularFX. Let's first see editing header together. For editing header, go to Header, Footer, Templates, Pages. Here, you will see the lists of headers. Select the desired header and you will be redirected to Pagelayer for editing your header. Here, you can edit any element present in your header. Here is Site Title widget. You can edit site title by clicking on the title widget. On the left side, you will see all the title widget properties. Let's make few styling effects. You can disable the title by enabling this Disable Title toggle. For viewing site description below to your title, enable the Site Description toggle and you can style according as per your need. For changing logo image, you can do this by selecting your desired image from the media library. Let's remove this background slider image and set one single background image. For removing background slider, choose the particular row in which the background image is set. Go to Background, and choose None. The slider images will be removed. Now, for inserting single background image, choose the Options tab on the top row Properties. Go to Background Style, click on Image, and insert your desired image you want to display. You can set the attachment to scroll or fixed. Set the position X as center, left, right, or you can even set it as per your need by choosing Custom Option. Set the position Y as center, top, bottom, or you can even set it as per your need by choosing Custom Option. You can also set repeat styling to your image by choosing Repeat, No Repeat, Repeat X, Repeat Y. Set the size of the image to your selected image as cover or contain and you are good to go. You can also set video, parallax, color, gradient or slider as background. To change this text, click on the text. You can edit it in the editing screen or can also change it over here. For making things responsive, click on Responsive button over here, and choose the device you want to make responsive. This is tablet device. And this is mobile. All the templates with PopularFX comes with proper responsive styling. After all your changes, do not forget to update your changes. Your header is ready and you can preview your changes by clicking on this eye icon. Now, let's edit home page. For editing home page, go to Header, Footer, Templates, Pages. Here, you will see the lists of pages. Select the home page and you will be redirected to Pagelayer for editing your home page. Here, you can edit any element present in your home page. The home page consists of several rows and columns and forms the layout of the page. Let's discuss every element together. Here is the rich text editor where you can customize your text. You can make all the styling part from rich text as well. Here is the View HTML button where you can see the content with their appropriate tags. Here is the image box widget. You can choose your desired image from your media library like this. Change the heading and content as per your need. You can link the image or heading with any particular URL, so that clicking on image and heading will let you redirect to that particular page. Here is the list widget. List widgets comprises of several list items to your page. You can add icons at the start of the list or can also provide different styles like disc, circle, square, or like 1, 2, 3, 4. Can even style your list elements as per your need. Here is the Embed widget, in which you can paste your HTML code and can design it using custom CSS over here. Embed widget allows you to paste your embedded code. Next is the counter widget. The counter widget includes several options for easy customization, and they are a great way to display content and attract the viewer's eyes, as they animate into the screen viewport. Next is the icon box widget. The icon box widget are simply awesome, and they are fully integrated with the font awesome icon set. The most common usage is for sections that list features of products or services. We can customize every element of this widget. The icon, the headline, the descriptions, and the button. You can style your icon box as per your need. Next is the progress bar widget. The progress bar widget allows you to add fully styled progress bars to your page. These are great for displaying varying types of data and content to your viewers. The progress bar element includes several options for easy customization, and is a great way to both visually attract the viewer and display content in an easily digestible form. Also, you can add any new widget from the widget panel as per your need and can style it as per your convenience. The whole layout is super flexible. You can easily drag any elements around. Change the column width by grabbing the edges and moving it left or right, like this. To save your work, click the Update option. As per your convenience, you can drag and drop the Pagelayer widget panel to left or right. Or you can even minimize it either by clicking on this arrow, or by clicking to this minimize button, to preview your changes. Also, to preview your website, click the eye icon below and you are good to go. For shutting this Pagelayer widget panel, click on Close button. Now, let's edit footer page. For editing footer, go to Header, Footer, Templates, Pages. Here, click on Footer, and you will be redirected to Pagelayer for editing your footer page. This is your footer page, which displays at the bottom of every page and consists of some informative content. Here is the Social Share widget, which allows you to share your page content to your social media handle. Here is the Primary Menu widget. The Primary Menu widget allows you to customize your menu and place the menu wherever you want in the web page. It automatically detects menu from the web page. You can customize the same by choosing which layout you want to display your menu, like horizontal or vertical. Or even can style the whole as per your need. Here is the Address widget, in which your address is displayed along with the icon. You can customize it as per your need. Next is the Grid Gallery. The Image Gallery widget allows you to easily add and style beautiful image into galleries on your page. The Gallery widget is extraordinary and allows you to make beautiful photo galleries in no time. Select various layouts, choose column width, column spacing, lightbox options and more. Likewise, you can change any widget to your imported theme. Do not forget to update your changes. With PopularFX Pro, you will get access to all 350 plus templates along with Pagelayer Pro. Check our pricing plans on popularfx.com/pricing. For more tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel or go to popularfx.com/docs.